Alright guys, so this is a new Roblox video. I found this cool, very cool tycon. Military tycon is the name of it. As you can see, here's a thing that I get right now. I don't know why I can't get it, but yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Well, well, I have enough rebirths. Since I had two rebirths, and the reason why I didn't show it before, I found it yesterday. No, we already got it. I I got it. I tried it before. I even before I recorded it. So I was with my friend, as you guys guess probably. So yeah. Right now I'm trying just to get upgrade my fence. As you can see, I have a guard there and ordered the electric fence. I really just want a soldier, but I need one more rebirth. Anti-craft. Where does that go? What's this other craft? Electric craft. Oh, that is that anti-craft. Disable. Enable. Yes, sit in it. No, I can't. I guess I can't sit on it. It would be cool if I could sit in it. Little way. As you can see, where the blue strings go to is where I can place it. If I do this, boom, I can't shop anything. If I click this, I can't do anything. Do this again. Now, MP5, I don't. We just need everything to rebirth. I don't know why. Oh, I know why. Every time, everything, well, a certain amount of things to rebirth. I usually just go around with my helicopter and probably go AFK with my auto clicker on. And yes, I have an auto clicker. You can see it here. Yeah. So yeah, we need much more money. So what's this one? Submarines, speedboat. Oh, say gunboat. You know what? Yeah. Next time I get enough money, we'll drop it. Oh, it's supposed to. Okay. And yes, it can go underwater. Ooh, it's underwater. Don't want to go too underwater because we're here. We're here is still enough. And get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. No, no, no. We choose the death match. I mean, there are many YouTubers that just do it for fun, but I'm not one of those YouTubers that want to do it. I swear. Uh, let me out. Let me out. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I don't. Yes. You. I'm a filmer. Should I use my helicopter? But who cares? Now I need to get to my use my drone. Just use helicopter. I feel this is better. So I think just activate. Oh crap! Crap! I thought I could activate it on flight. My bad. I just have enough money to shop one of these. Oh! Hmm. Nah, it's okay. I can. I don't. I can do it. I'm good at electric fence. And oh, what was the first one that I shop again? Oh yeah, I was like the first one at the shop was actually a guard. I'm dumb. Well, yeah, or no, I don't have enough. Not have good memories. An helicopter. And you guys might think, stop. Why don't you just use a helicopter? Fly around. Just use the best weapon. I don't have the best one. The best weapon is on the third floor. Literally, on the third floor. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. And I can't want on my air. Where? Oh. I should have. I should. I should have waited. If you're wondering, press E to activate and W to go up, S to go down, E to go left, no, A to go left, and D to go right. I think I'm loving it now. Yeah, yeah. I think probably not good. Who cares? Yay, PVT first class. I'm first. I'm not first class. I didn't realize though. I realized I'm in fifth grade. And there's a car. That's sick. If I went to this boom. Wait. Oh, hello. Whee! Out. Eh, eh, eh. I'm going to get my best gun. Ooh, shut up. Damage is very high. Okay, it's good enough. Yay, that's enough. So, okay, let's get up, get up. Yay! Yes. What? There it is. Yo. It crashed. I crashed landed. I landed. How much money do I have here? Okay. Oh, yes, Israel. If you're wondering, I chose Norway because I just chose it, basically. There's my guard. Now get up. Now I need this. No, nothing, nothing, no, nothing. Here. No, not there. Here it is. Here's just a block. Look at my side off. I'm dumb. I literally fell for that. Give me that money. Yeah, who cares? Yeah, grenade is not full. I'll take this one. M16. This is actually one of the best weapons in the game, actually. And yes, I said I would use it on something else, but you got money, you spend money. That's just how this game works, basically. Basically, look, I basically just shot the workers first. Wait, how much money do I need for this? 15,000? That's not that much money. I mean, yeah, I mean, that's not that much money. I mean, look at this. We get 300 in a second. Boom. And boom. We can access the bunker. Yay! Worker. I get worker soon. But before that, have any armor here? Maybe I should go. Maybe I should go ask my neighbor just to get armor or something like that. I mean, he's rich there. He could probably give me the best armor in the game. I mean, I, and with that, I'm gonna steal it. He probably needs what rebirth? Seriously? He just rebirthed. What the? Why? Yeah, and here, you know what? It's time for you to die. Well, M16. Hello there. Not crap. Naruto. Hello. Goodbye. Just hello there. Hello there, man. Hello there, Naruto. Hello there, Naruto. Now, goodbye. Now, where? I'm just gonna let him off. I think I'm going this way. That my land is this way. So, that's just how this game works. That's just how this game works. And why I did that? Look. Oh, I sunk the submarine. No, this is more. That that is the most useless button in the game. What you know about is like no, not that is not the gun button. How much money do I get now then? Oh, I just that one, that one, so I can get. Now, what? I'm done with the first floor. It's time to start up there with the second floor. Meow, 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 meow. Ah, crap. Well, at least I got a desert eagle. A desert eagle? Ooh, that. That is one of the juicy items in the game. It does so much damage. Yes, my god. Again, looking for yeah. Loading. Hey, I'm coming. Beep. I haven't read it, right? Oh, I guess this is mine now. I guess this is mine now. I guess this is mine now. Well, it's not that it's coming back, so. It's just, it seems weird as coming to my house. I mean, look at my house. Uh, I literally rebirthed it 2 times already. And I started yesterday. And when I want to get my aircraft. Yes, more workers. I got more workers, one more worker, and that's good enough. Yeah, all going on. I got that thingy bob bob. Yay! Yay! This is finally starting to look good. And soon I can shop one of the most juicy items. But can I? Oh! If that is the worker, no, that's definitely not. That's not the worker. Lights. Seriously, I just want to make the shop lights. Hmm. Yay! I get 50,000. I will get 1,500 so easy. I control an oil region, oil thing, an oil thing, bob. I don't know what. Don't judge. I don't know what it's called.